The question on the PDF I shared with you in the last video covered some pretty standard yes and no type answers around numbers and pricing in your business, as well as processes and systems to help you work more smoothly in less time. The biggie, though, is about your why. Why do you have a cake business? And equally as important, how is your cake business supposed to be bettering you and your family? If you don't know these foundational answers for your cake business, the end is en route sooner than you imagined. Every successful small business has a plan and a purpose that determines all decisions that need to be made. Things like pricing, marketing, copy in your social media and website, how you contract, and how you systematize. All these things need to be aligned with your purpose for having a cake biz. And we'll get that sorted out once and for all so that your next steps are clearer and you can easily determine your next best step in growing your cake biz.